It was perfect. It was the land size, the area, being surrounded by bush, having everything we love without having the acreage.
We always talked about building again. We always talked about going to a single story home, something that would be a little bit more practical for us, and not so much downsizing, but changing the house to suit more our lifestyle. We love entertaining. We've got a lot of family and friends. We like to have them around.
We loved this block. It was a 940 square metre block, 30 metre frontage, and we thought, yes, this is it. So we went and saw David in the sales office. The journey was quite straightforward, actually. He let us which direction to take. We found our builder. That was seamless. Everything went so smoothly with our builder, and now we're living in our forever home. For us, the biggest surprise is this view. I mean, to come home and have this to look at every morning, every night, it's just magical.
The other thing that we found that we quite enjoyed is the community that's coming in.
People go past, say hello to each other. Everyone is just so friendly, so nice and genuine. We just love it. We love the lifestyle. We'll go for walks, come home from work, go for walks in the afternoon. We can go down to the park, we can go into the bush, we can go along, the pathways. There's so many different places to explore. Love it. We just love it.